Welcome back, guys, to another cryptocurrency news article. This one comes out of Cointelegraph and looks like Mt. Gox rumors panic Bitcoin Twitter as BTC price returns below $20,000. So yeah, it looks like claims that 137,000 Bitcoin are about to be offloaded on the open market and are met with intense suspicion as BTC price volatility returns. So yeah, I guess this has one role to play with the price. I heard the Fed chairman, what is his name, Jerome Powell, said some things about Jackson Hole, which didn't do too well with Bitcoin, Ethereum's price, as well as the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones. It had its key role. So there's a lot of stuff affecting the markets right now. But let's go over this article on Mt. Gox. See what's up. What rumors are being spread. Bitcoin failed to keep $20,000 support on August 27th as fears over a sell-off by users of defunct exchange Mt. Gox added to price pressures. The Mt. Gox rumors dismissed as typical crypto. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView followed BTC/USD as it headed to new 6-week lows, reaching $19,766 on Bitstamp. Then Thin weekend liquidity appeared to exasperate already jittery markets, which reacted badly to unconfirmed rumors that Mt. Gox funds were due for the release to creditors on August 28th. Claims varied widely as the time of writing, with some believing that a tranche of 137,000 Bitcoin was set for release in one go. Others said that the funds would be sent piecemeal, but that payouts would nonetheless begin this weekend. A point of consensus came in the form of creditors allegedly wanting to sell Bitcoin owed to them, this having been out of reach since 2014, when Bitcoin/USD traded at under $500. The unrealized 40x returns they feared would prove too enticing for creditors to become willing hodlers. Mt. Gox imploded with hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin almost 10 years ago, following a lengthy legal procedure dealing with funds subsequently recovered from the exchange. The appointed rehabilitation trustee, Nobuaki Kobayashi, announced on July 6 that he was preparing to make repayments to creditors. In documentation at the time, Kobayashi gave the end of August as a reference period during which some initial payments might begin. Following discussions with a court and in accordance with the rehabilitation plan, the rehabilitation trustee plans to set the assignment, etc., restriction reference period from approximately the end of August this year until all or part of the repayments made as initial repayments is completed for safe and secure repayments, part of it to be read. Oh, that was a tongue twister. With no new official information appearing on the dedicated website covering the rehabilitation proceeding, however, it remained unclear as to why these sell-off rumors had gained so much traction so quickly. Here's a tweet from Danny Devon. There's so much false information floating around Twitter, so let's clear something up. Mt. Gox isn't releasing all 137,000 Bitcoin tomorrow. It's starting the repayment process tomorrow, so creditors will begin to receive their Bitcoin. The entire process will take months. Also, this is only for those who choose the early lump sum payment, which means they only get a portion of their Bitcoin. Those who wait until the end of civil rehabilitation period will get more, which is years from now. For trader and analyst Josh Rager, meanwhile, even if the full hoard of BTC were sold at once, the resulting selling pressure would not create the kind of apocalyptic event some imagined. Here's his tweet: Mt. Gox release probability creating more fear than needed. 140,000 BTC, roughly $2.8 billion. BTC daily trades volume is 20 billion to 30 billion. So yeah, not much of it going on there. These BTC aren't going to be all sold at once. This fear around the release of potentially the Mt. Gox Bitcoin is just unwarranted. Cointelegraph contributed Michael Van de Pope added, typical crypto. Profits get squeezed in weekend volatility. The latest losses nonetheless triggered more pain for existing BTC hodlers. According to the data from on-chain analysis firm Glassnode, the percentage of overall Bitcoin supply in profit hit a 1-month low on the day at just above 55%. Older coins continued a trend of increasing dormancy, meanwhile with a percentage of the supply last leaving its wallet 2 years ago or longer hitting 10-month highs. Cointelegraph recently reported on hodlers' habits remaining broadly unchanged despite the 2022 crypto market drawdown. Yeah, 2022 is just a drawdown month. Who knows what's to come for 2023? Will we start making our way back up? Are we out of the winter? Or will we see basically the same thing happening around in 2022 continue on into the following year? But hey, we get to look forward to 2024 when the Bitcoin halving happens and then the rewards per block get cut in half. So that's definitely good news for Bitcoin because typical business economics, supply versus demand. If there's still the same amount of demand and supply gets cut, the prices will go up because there's not much to go around. But yeah, what do you guys think of this article? Do you like it? Did you believe the rumors and the panic of it all? Let me know what you think down below. But again, while you're down there, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.